What's up guys, I'm Sean. Today we're going to be flushing the transmission fluid on this E46 Sim 3 with Red Line D4 ATF fluid, recommended by BMW World. The driver on the block a few times to warm up your transmission, then jack up the car. You want it even, and then have a backup jack or some wheels underneath the car as a backup. And let's get underneath the car. Take out the transmission panel. There's a few 8mm screws all around. Drop the panel off. So here's the fill bolt and here's the drain bolt. Always remove the fill bolt before the drain bolt, because if you remove the drain bolt and you can't open up the fill bolt, then you're screwed. So do this one first before you do the drain. So BMW says their fluid is lifetime fluid, but I don't think there's a such thing as lifetime fluid. So I'm going with the transmission fluid that BMW World recommends. So I have a pan to catch the transmission fluid. And I'm gonna loosen the drain bolt first. It's a 17mm. The fill bolt's off. I'm gonna open up the drain bolt. Same thing, 17mm. So while the transmission is draining, I'm gonna get this ready. This is a fluid pump. It's gonna be really useful. And these are the two transmission fluid that I'm going with. Reinstall the drain bolt. Torque it down to 37 foot-pounds. Now I'm gonna start filling up the transmission. All right, it's ready to go. So just start pumping in fluid until it starts to seep out, and it should be about 2 quarts. And after that, we should be done. Now we're gonna get the second bottle and keep going. So once it starts seeping out like this, that means it's full. It was exactly 2 quarts. And I'm gonna put in the fill bolt and torque it down to 37 foot-pounds. That's it guys, everything done. Just finished the transmission flush. So I do mine once a year since I track my car. If you don't track your car, you could probably do it every 2 to 3 years, depending on mileage. So now you just put the panels back and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.